Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sweet potato fries are slightly higher in calories and carbs than French fries but also high in vitamin A, giving them a nutritional edge. Still, deep-fried fries of any kind served in oversized portions, as in many restaurants, may increase your risk of weight gain and related health problems. 8 February 2019.
Take our lead.
They're far more likely to lead to weight gain than overdoing it on the sweet potato itself. So, yes, sweet potatoes are a fiber-loaded, low-calorie side that's great for weight loss, as long as you're not eating them in the form of a mound of fries. 15 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
The soaking, Mr. Nasser said, is the secret to the crisp texture of the fries. It draws out the starch, making them more rigid and less likely to stick together. The cooks fry them twice, first blanching them until slightly limp in peanut oil heated to 325 degrees, and again in 375-degree oil to crisp and brown them. 5 May 1999.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.